Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you BandLab how to remove background noise. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Removing background noise in BandLab can make your vocals or recording sound much cleaner. In order to do it, head over and open up your BandLab app. Then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once logged into your account, tap on the plus icon on the bottom. Then inside, what you need to do is either import your track or simply tap on the recent project that you are currently working on. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the option that says FX right here, and on tapping it, what you need to do is simply select Add Effect and then tap on Select Get. Then adjust the threshold, set it just above the background noise level to remove unwanted sounds. Be careful not to cut off your voice. You can also use denoise or clean up vocals presets as well and apply it and adjust the settings to reduce background noise. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.